Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Confirm your Pixoo model, have the correct USB cable ready, and connect to a stable 5V power source. Once powered, watch the startup animation to ensure the hardware booted. Next, install and open the Divoom app on your phone. Make sure Bluetooth and location services are on so the app can scan. Do this now, because pairing fails if the device isn't fully powered or the app lacks permissions. Once the app detects your Pixoo via Bluetooth, tap Add Device and select the exact model. Accuracy matters. You'll pair over Bluetooth first to exchange initial info. Make sure the phone stays close. After Bluetooth handshake, the app will prompt Wi-Fi configuration for features like remote control. Switch to your 4 GHz network, enter SSID and password, and confirm. If the app times out, retry the Bluetooth step so the device receives the network details cleanly. Finish by allowing any firmware updates and sending a sample animation to confirm pixels respond correctly. This proves connection and firmware compatibility. Once done, set brightness and pixel mapping to match your display placement so images appear sharp. If the device fails to connect, reboot the Pixoo and your phone, toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, and re-enter the 4 GHz credentials. That single troubleshooting tip. Restart, then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.